So later this year, we will host a forum on reforming government for the 21st century, so that we're also guided by voices that come from outside Washington. Where I'm visiting Intel, a company that helped pioneer the digital age. I just came from a tour of an assembly line where highly skilled at Parkville Middle School, outside of Baltimore. Engineering is the most popular subject, thanks to the outstanding teachers who are inspiring students to focus on their math and science skills. In which all of us can pack a healthy lunch for our son or go outside and play ball with our daughter. I've shaken hands with folks outside machine shops and churches, corner stores, and farms. I've spent some time lately traveling the country and talking with folks outside of Washington. And outside of Congress, does anyone really think that's still a good idea? I want this Congress to stop the giveaways to an oil industry that's never been more profitable and invest it in a clean energy industry that's never been more promising. Kinds of bipartisan ideas that could have put over 1 million Americans back to work and helped bolster our economy against outside shocks. I sent them a plan that would have reduced our deficit by $4 trillion. Today I want to talk about something that most of you already know. It's hot outside. I also intend to bring in business, labor, and civic leaders from around the country, from outside Washington, to get their ideas and input as well. After all, 95% of the world's potential customers live outside our borders. With new Wi-Fi hotspots, more Cubans are starting to go online and get information from the outside world. That's why I'm going to Austin and South by Southwest, to keep asking everyone from all walks of life, working inside or outside of government, to help us make this democracy even stronger.
And to those nations like ours that enjoy relative plenty, we say we can no longer afford indifference to the suffering outside our borders, nor can we consume the world's resources without regard to effect.
It's been a real unique opportunity, I think, for the government, but also for us to get to know each other and to have this outside perspective.
It's okay, but it's nice taking some time to talk to Americans of every walk of life outside of the nation's capital. And
it means going for a run or hitting the gym and raising our children to step away from the video games. And
in some cases, the dealings of these institutions were so complex and opaque that few inside or outside these companies understood what was happening.
On one side, you get a nice crust on the outside, high